Okay, so the first piece of software is is called it's a woodworker's calculator, and basically what it is, it simulates a 25-foot um, ruler, which has both imperial feet and inches on one scale and metric measurements on the other scale. And so what this does is it's like as like an interactive converter that will convert um, metric or imperial measurements back and forth, and it does this automatically. So first of all, if you slide a ruler, um, the measurements are automatically shown in centimeters or meters, millimeters at the top, and down at the bottom it's shown in in feet, inches, and in fractions. So for example, right now, if we go to, let's say, 3 inches, 3 inches, which is 77 millimeters or 7.7 centimeters. So that's done automatically for you. Now, you can always enter different. So if I change this to 5 feet, then the whole the display automatically updates. So we're at 5 feet 0 inches, and it's 127 millimeters. Just done that automatically, and you can always tweak this back and forth. On the bottom side of the display, we can do some additional calculation. So we can, for example, we can multiply. So if I whatever display or measurement I have currently, I can multiply that. So let's say I want to multiply that by 2. So I put 2 in this box and I hit multiply, and it instantly gives me the updated display in feet and inches and in metric. We have not done the calculations in metric because they're like pretty simple, because the difficult calculations are in imperial, which normally gives a lot of trouble. So you have all these fractions and stuff. So for example, right now we have 10 feet, 10 inches, it's 10.7, 10 inches, 7/8. And so if you want to multiply that by 3, it could be pretty awkward. So, you know, there the answer is 2 feet 8 inches, 8 and 5/8 inches, and it's displayed for you as well on your interactive ruler and in metric. Similarly for division, you just hit divide, and it does the division for you. Again, the ruler and the display are automatically updated. On the bottom 3 boxes allow you to add a measurement. So for example, if I am currently at 3 and 5/8 inches on the display, and I wanted to add I don't know, 1.5 inches. So let me 1.5 inches. So I wanted to add that. So 3 and 5/8 plus 1.5, it's 5 1/8 inch. And again, automatically your display converts that to centimeters for you, and the ruler is updated. Similarly with subtraction, if I wanted to subtract this measurement, let's make it 7/8, and again 3 1/4 is your result of that calculation. So that's the woodworker's calculator, and it's a useful addition to your toolbox, yeah, when you want to make sure that your measurements are correct.